Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your Ulta gift card in 2025. Whether it's a gift from a friend or a treat for yourself, getting it activated is quick and easy. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to shop for all your favorite makeup and skincare products. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Ulta gift card handy. Flip it over and note the card number and any security code printed on it. These are essential for activation. In 2025, Ulta has streamlined the process, so head to the Ulta website or open the Ulta app on your phone. If you're using a computer, go to ulta.com and look for the Gift Cards section in the top menu. Next, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account area and find the Gift Cards or Activate Card option. This might be under a submenu, so keep an eye out. Now, enter the gift card details exactly as they appear on the card. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Hit the Activate button, and you'll get a confirmation message on screen. To verify, try checking your account balance or making a small purchase online. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Ulta's customer support through their website chat or phone line. They're usually very helpful and can resolve problems fast. Remember, activating your card ensures it's ready for use in stores or online, so don't skip this step. There you have it. Activating your Ulta gift card in 2025 is straightforward and hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.